Hold on, I gotta set this up. I got a Coleman Cooler and the hinge breaks. What do? Throw it out? Actually, someone threw out this cooler. This example over here. What do? You throw it out when the hinge breaks, or do you fix it? Coolers are a lot of money. They're like $40 for a cooler this size. This one has what you call hybrid hinges. You see? No screws on the bottom. This one broke off. I gave someone this cooler to use. This is how I get it returned. Typical. Typical. Alright, the other style hinge they used to use was a 4x4. See? 1, 2, 1, 2. Same style cooler. I picked these off of another cooler which someone used and they destroyed the bottom of it. So easy fix though. It's going to cost you a little bit of money, a couple bucks, probably around like 10. Get yourself a hybrid hinge kit. Where's the part number? Somewhere over here. What's the part number? For use on the following. Is that the part number? I don't know. I'm going to link the part number in the description when I find it. I'm not seeing it on this bag right now. But check the description. It comes in a 2-pack. You get new hinges and you get new screws. The screws commonly rust. A hybrid hinge is kind of weird though to change. You see, no screws in the bottom. It's a quarter turn. I'll show you. Alright, here we go. See? That's what it looks like when it's off. So you put it on either way, to your left, to your right, whichever way you want to go. And you just turn it. It locks on. Put it this way. Comes off. Doesn't matter. Both sides same way. So put this side in first when you're changing the hybrid hinge. But here's my thing. See? Check out the cooler lid. Thin with sand in it. Because again it's trash found cooler. And this one is off another cooler. This is off a extreme cooler. Fatter. It fits. The fat lid fits. So I'm going to put the more insulated lid on this cooler for the time reason. It fits a lot tighter. Kind of looks the same, latches the same, thicker, and maybe it's going to perform better in the heat. But we got to take these hinges off. So figure this is your broken one, obviously. You know, unscrew it. Phillips, both sides. I'm going to need extra. See, it's Craftsman screwdriver, junk. Use a better screwdriver. Let me get him off. He didn't show rotating the screwdriver. He didn't show it. Oh, here we go. He didn't. You get comments like this on this platform. People are just overall ridiculous. There you go. Those are off. Again, different style. Again, those are the hybrid ones. Let's see. Let's see if the distance is the same. It should be. We're going to check it with the old one. Because that might be a problem with our lid swap. Again, if you're not swapping the lid because you don't have junk parts coolers like I do, you don't have to worry about this. But I'm modifying my cooler as well as changing these broken hybrid hinges. Okay, as the hinge goes on, you see, turn it first. Oh, it matches up. Perfect. And then just put your screws in and you're done. See, it's I guess an okay kit. You see, new hinges you get, and you get new screws because it's usually rusted, but nice and stiff. I tried like repairing these things with epoxy. You can't really do it. I'm just gonna think I'm gonna use both new hinges, and this one I'll keep as a spare. Still good. Next time one breaks, so I found one when it's broken. I'm all set. Hinges, and then oh, you get extra screws too. That's cool. Oh, no, never mind. You don't. Right? Do you get extra screws? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 6 screws or 7, maybe 8 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 8 screws. You get extra screws. That's cool. All right, excellent. All right, new screws or old screws? I don't know. I'm kind of thinking the old screws. Cause I'm cheap. I'm probably gonna use the old screws. All right. Back them out. One over here. Back them out. One over here. Oh, you didn't show turning the screw. You didn't show the final product. You didn't show it. There we go. Just gonna show you like that, incomplete. But does it open? Oh, it opens. Excellent. Nice and stiff like they all are. Alright, that's how you do it. That's how you change your hinges, put the other screws in. And it's simple as that. Video's getting long enough. yeah, when your hinge breaks, you can get replacements. You can get this style replacement too. So just keep that in mind. They're both available. Yeah, and this style replacement, the elongated screws go on the bottom. Easy, done. Oh, and like, comment, subscribe, and then modify your cooler lid if you have one. So when you see Coleman coolers around, pick them. I usually pick the handle even when they're broken, and the lid, and of course when I make a video, loud annoying noises. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Link in the description for these things. I'll link both the hybrid and the this style. Well, this was a hybrid, and that style was the other style. Apparently they make metal ones as well. I don't know. You know, recycle though. Fix it. These things are like 40 bucks, so you get a lot of time out of it when you fix it. And don't lease your cooler out to other people because they're just gonna bring it back destroyed. Usually how it goes. Still going, bonus footage. You see the, I wonder why they give you new screws. The old screws are very rotted on the broken one. I guess that's why they give you replacements. Interesting. And when it's like this, to smash that in, you see it's pulled out. Just push it back in. And when you first open it, it'll be a little stiff. Just go slow, and you know, over time it will get looser. I wasn't never really a fan of the hybrid hinges. The four ones always were better. It doesn't stay open, you know, you can kind of do this with the handle, but it works. I'm happy with it. Modified my cooler. You go like that and the lid kind of stays open for a little bit. Alright, done. Those rotted screws. I think we're just going to throw them away. Can't really fix these. Done.